In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from one Wise account to another Wise account. It's super easy and straightforward to do, but pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to go ahead and do is open up the Wise app. And we first of all need to get the payment details of the Wise account that we're going to be sending to. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go onto the account that you want to receive the money to. And you need to click on which account it's going to be. So let's say it's the GBP account. We're going to click on that there. Then underneath where it says GBP balance, it's going to tell you your details. So click on that. And from here, you're going to get all the account numbers. So because it's a UK account, we have sort code and account number. But if you're in somewhere like, I don't know, Europe, for example, you might have an IBAN. Those might be the details you need to send to. Whatever it is, get those numbers ready, copy them down, maybe put them in your notepad app if you want to, or you can just refer back to this. So now that we've gone ahead and actually got the details we need to send to, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to where it says recipients, and we're going to click the button that says add a recipient. Now, depending on who you're sending it to, you want to select different options here. So if you're sending it to yourself, click myself. If it's someone else, click someone else. And if it's a business, click a business. So I'm going to click someone else here. And it's going to ask you what currency is the account in. So I'm going to just do Great British Pounds. And first of all, it's going to ask you for the email. Now, you don't have to put an email in, but it can be helpful for keeping a track that they've got the money, all that kind of stuff. Once you've put the email in, you're going to go down to the bank details. Now, you can do it with IBAN and the account number, but I'm going to do it with local bank account. So first of all, you want to put the full name in, you want to put the sort code and the account number. So once you've added their details into here, you want to click confirm, and that's going to create a new recipient for you in the Wise app. So now what we can do is we can go back into the home page of Wise and we can click on the button that says send. Then it's going to ask you where do you want to send from. So I'm going to click one of the balances. So I'm going to click the GBP balance, and it's going to ask how much you want to send. So I'm going to put £15 and it will tell you how much the recipient will get in euros. So I'm going to click continue. Next, it's going to ask me for which recipient I want to send the money to. So just select a recipient. And then from there, it's going to tell you a bit more details about it, the exchange rate, how much they're going to get, all that kind of stuff. Lastly, I'd make sure you put in a reference because sometimes the payments can get cancelled if you don't put a reference in. So go ahead, put a reference in, and then you can press confirm and send, and that's going to send the money over to the Wise account. So that's basically how you do it. After you've done it, wait maybe like 3 to 5 days, sometimes depending on where it's going, but you should receive it. But if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that helped you out. Thank you for watching.